Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Makita XLC03R1BX4, a compact cordless vacuum that's got a lot going for it, especially if you're after efficiency and ease. Whether you're cleaning small messes or tackling a quick job around the house or workshop, this one promises to deliver solid performance. The Makita XLC03R1BX4 features a BL Brushless Motor that runs cooler and more efficiently than traditional motors. What does this mean for you? It helps the vacuum maintain consistent power while extending the life of the motor. With suction power reaching up to 49 CFM, cubic feet per minute, it's designed to pull in dirt quickly and efficiently. Whether you're dealing with dust on hard floors, crumbs on your kitchen counter, or debris in tight corners, the XLC03R1BX4 is up for the task. Equipped with an 18-volt compact lithium-ion 2.0-hour battery, this model promises up to 13 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. This is great for quick, high-impact cleaning sessions. However, keep in mind that this is on the shorter side for a cordless vacuum, especially if you're used to the longer run times of larger models. Still, for light, quick cleaning jobs, this battery life can be more than enough. One of the standout features here is the bagless cloth filtration system. Not only does this make the vacuum easier to empty and clean, but it also helps reduce maintenance time. You won't have to deal with messy bags, which is a common hassle with traditional vacuums. Instead, just detach the dust cup, dump it out, and you're good to go. The filtration system also helps with debris disposal, ensuring you don't spend extra time fiddling with complex systems. In terms of usability, you've got two modes to choose from: a trigger mode for short bursts of suction, or a slide switch mode for continuous cleaning. Depending on the task, the ability to switch modes is a nice touch, offering flexibility when you need it most. If you're cleaning a small area or spot cleaning, the trigger mode is perfect for controlling power and conserving battery. When you need to clean a larger surface, the slide switch mode can help you work through it without interruption. On real-world testing, the XLC03R1BX4 handles light to moderate messes with ease. I found it particularly efficient at cleaning up dust and crumbs from hard floors, something that can sometimes challenge larger vacuums with weaker suction. When it came to lifting embedded dirt and debris, especially on carpets, the vacuum did a solid job. It won't handle deep carpet cleaning the way an upright or larger vacuum would, but for everyday messes, it's effective. Now, let's talk about ergonomics and maneuverability. The XLC03R1BX4 weighs in at just a few pounds, making it incredibly easy to handle. It's lightweight, so you won't feel worn out after a few minutes of use. Plus, its compact size makes it an ideal choice for tight spaces or quick cleanups where full-sized vacuums just wouldn't fit. The fact that it's cordless adds to the convenience, as you're not tethered to a wall socket. But let's not ignore the noise factor. This vacuum, like many cordless models, has a relatively high pitch when running at full speed, which might be bothersome if you're sensitive to noise. It's not unbearable, but it's certainly noticeable, especially during extended use. Thankfully, the 13-minute runtime is brief enough that you're unlikely to get fatigued by the sound. But it's something to keep in mind if you're considering long cleaning sessions. When it comes to accessories, the Makita XLC03R1BX4 is quite minimalist. It doesn't with a ton of attachments like some larger vacuums, but the simplicity works for this model. You get the basic nozzle, and that's really all you need for quick jobs. There's no dedicated pet hair tool or specialized upholstery brush, which may be a downside if you're looking for more versatility. However, for general cleaning around the home or workshop, this vacuum covers most of the essentials. Now, for some of the potential drawbacks. While the vacuum's performance on hard floors and low-pile carpet is good, it's not designed for heavy-duty tasks. It struggles a bit with high-pile carpets or deeply embedded pet hair. Also, given the shorter runtime, it may not be suitable for larger homes or extended cleaning sessions. But again, the compact nature of this vacuum means it's really more for quick cleanups or secondary use rather than replacing a full-size vacuum. So, is it worth your money? Considering the price, The Makita XLC03R1BX4 offers good value for anyone looking for a lightweight, efficient cordless vacuum that excels at quick, everyday cleaning. It's not going to replace your full-size vacuum if you have a larger home or need deep cleaning power, but it's a solid tool for quick jobs and spot cleaning. If you need something that's easy to handle, efficient, and perfect for smaller messes, this model hits the mark. In terms of alternatives, you might find yourself comparing the XLC03R1BX4 to other compact cordless vacuums in the same price range. Models from brands like Dyson and Shark offer similar features, but typically at a higher price point. What sets the Makita apart is its emphasis on efficiency, simplicity, and reliable suction in a compact, ergonomic package. It may not have all the bells and whistles of premium brands, but it gets the job done well without breaking the bank. Build quality is solid. The vacuum feels sturdy without being bulky, and the materials are durable, which is important considering it's meant for occasional heavy-duty tasks like cleaning up sawdust or other workshop debris. Maintaining the vacuum is easy, as the dust cup is simple to empty and the filtration system is easy to clean. There's no complex bag system to deal with, and the brush roll doesn't tend to get clogged with hair or debris, making upkeep fairly hassle-free. If you're wondering about customer support, Makita's reputation is generally solid in this area. They've earned a reputation for good after-sales service, and their products typically come with a reliable warranty, which gives some peace of mind. When it comes to longevity, this vacuum should hold up well over time, provided you keep the filters clean and the dust cup emptied regularly. There's no indication of any widespread issues with the model, and Makita's brand history suggests this is a vacuum that will last if cared for properly. To sum it up, the Makita XLC03R1BX4 is a strong performer for anyone in need of a compact, efficient, and versatile vacuum for quick cleanups and light-duty tasks. It's well-suited for smaller homes, workshops, or anyone looking for a secondary vacuum to tackle quick messes. While it may not replace your primary vacuum for large homes or heavy-duty cleaning, it does an excellent job for what it's designed to do. Thanks for watching. If you're considering this vacuum, you'll find the link to get it in the comments box below. Let us know if you've used this model or any other Makita vacuums. Share your experience or ask questions in the comments. Goodbye till next time, and remember, keep your space spotless with Reviews Inside TV.